Me did Isaac Jumpo, but you have the great sample and bring one man come when you too much G8, too much G8, more too much. Namenso, may I'm more fire.
For me, my Obibia, Aquabade, but too much G8, Mercy cow, any meeting, and then so in somewhere, I did train on my moon, and I'm a debaba soon dining near a bit film, and I bet film when they say, a year Pecky, a headmaster, and a year Cassie. Ye did not to a year pampans for a year torn, say, a year about one already 18 years. Now I can find send it that a year papi as I act mona. Now 18 for tier report to moi. A year about you are a friend and your nam. One no echo fire fool and ran a year Ghana a year coronavirus pandemic. A PM will be as if I didn't Ghana so and yet exceptional. Na eye is excellence na do down kwade nhihye bi betu just say the lockdown just say Ghana call lockdown na ma schools bebre call lockdown na say institution bebre call down lockdown some no and about 18 years enyo nam wono empenatri kese Eban so na etie for him say lockdown ina chese pregnancy dey yesu say do na beba out bebre na benyim but one yesu so befa ye phone na enye school for na yesu say yeah awarefo a sa akwanya na ba momo na omo kru no mo de adwuma achechire wo mo a chese omo ma family affairs kranye de some no ni yesu say sa opportunity na ba member pa esan say wo mo kunu no omu ni baby akọ na wo na akoba sa wo betina wo jire wo 24/7 na che say ya sem papa ma ware for bebre na abayua enyo na mo so say na wo no ya sem papa ma ne papa some no na enyo ne kanchema e de kwasi share so anyi nse no bepie mu na no abayua na give up on their life na mistake awaye ni na o botaye won ni sunti o kato na mo se na sitie bia se enimguase bia akwakofa enkwala boni se bia wadi bia enumpo no wo bebo modin aba betu an school so e de ewie na abawe o second year wo ye no ne course awaye no ye general act chese ni interest subject pan literature na abawe nsem won wan kasa de nsem ni betu just say ye kra ye accuse headmaster yin say ebe pm say do na notice say wafa yefu esan say yefu no na edi 3 months na enumpo no omo yi na amado bebre na encourage no ehye crime say na ebe ya even though the situation dey na hu atomo no obetumi ejina kopem umra odi be wie odi be tro na paper edi ewie school dey akọ efi a wo free mu ebe pm wo school mu na headmaster no so then ekwote because in na say eba news dia ana eba ensem say ya etene papa na headmaster ni konya ntiye efa won no na wo hu say na ba 18 onya ignorant dia wo betumi ejina so ma won so ni interest bia wo pe no wo betumi enya na no na ba kase mana video na ekobara ni kase mo no wo pa kire say the headmaster no friend mribi mu na wo call won wo shenika na wo go do won headmaster ne ka che ne say ni nika na wo she na tighten pint on bo modi ambra no nche no se ne wo she no na next time chire mo no wo pa che say fortunate that day esan say emra na won headmaster ne kasa kika ko won obi be ball pro nim na eno na wonya ne team edidi mu na ensiwa kosi se emribi so ba ya wasasuma obi foforo be frɛ no akoye wo headmaster so there is no way our headmaster be frɛ wa be ka se wo nko esan se woni mu se wonsa ehye na no se ekoba se wo nko na wo ka se wo dia tro to wo so ana wo twa punishment amount chese wa brabo ebe wo miserable wo asoye wo enti wono no ojisu hu ne headmaster na when okoye no chese headmaster no wadwen kase papa obo abaywa enyonam adwen se ni yefu na wafa no obeboa no obefa ne se wono ane ba na emu wo fa yefu a se wutimi bomodin agugu so spend se na ebe ya abofra ne ba out a onye disable anase ni baby nkwachi ana ne nsa kwachi ana ni baby enka enti sa eye botaye ne de ono wo befa esi no ho so obegugu so ama abayo yi se ni abofra ne ba ne ho entochi mabia na tie for ma yen show we asem we ya ka che nyanseni na so yen hwe abayo a wo 18 years eye den a oye ignorant. Nemo, ignorance is not an excuse because first mistake, why did that. Na eno ena papa itimi succeed convince about you ene no die we no born and no say man person will be a better and a man do mo cry nessa nia whatever you next about you went to me engina and I went to me and fast some say and anything na wo ko pm e wo girl site no e ko ba so one down for na wo train say mo de train say na so me na ne na fofo no bi so just a surprise say headmaster ni timidi about you ejuma say na etie for na ma bra nsem yi kra beto odwane say enam sex headmaster yi ni abayo yi nya ye nti abayo ani abdomen tese na ya ase wono ne ya bro so ma wontimi na eno na kobie mu say ne don house secretary so what they call to name na house secretary so involve omo house mistress and omutu nwa na mo case yi akwa to police station just say omo go to hwehwe mu na dodo na susu said there be we there say education center for no one mutimi story wa question say report ni mu asa say headmaster yi say open secret ni dwumadi a wodi waso wa school mu won sa na wote na mba you to be crown so confirm say sa na wote say one more crown no wa try that on them we propose it to them that na one na say one hu nyansa o mama no sa akwenya ne tie for o hwe say na headmaster wo be ko pension just a year next year penal headmaster yi work pension na wentimi anhye wo ho so na je se we di bonia anka wo de bo mo de ahye wo so na fa ko pension na so hwene akwa ebi gu se ne cap na ayema na se na tie bia mdi se wo so wadwenche wo ho e mo benya se o de wadwenche beto your comment section e de amane na fa so subscribe se na be ya too much e bi bia too much won so mo sabe to me akebi na before I me endement someone e wojume ko a won so ya se mama Juliet Ventures e ba wo kitchen se e be ye nika na wo wura wa enche no wapie dia bo mo dia fa mama Juliet number no be bo ma wo kitchen equipment ya wo yan wo kitchen bia won sa be kan afi loan master so ma loan within 24 hours ni yan so ya government worker ewo Ghana na wa for the ability on ready there that from say but come be bo ma when you urgent money for urgent project ene muniaba mosonfo mesika na midingita hu beso aha ena midimo besi e besan Asia makwa